y'all? Hey, is everybody alright over there? Is everybody alright out there? Hey man, it's me. Look, you don't give a fuck. I'm not sitting in my chair. I'm gonna make up some words. Man, who gives a fuck? I'll tell you quick, man, I'm 18 Sufi. Coming through. Man, just bluffing with the blick, man. Who gives a fuck? You can get sick quick. You give a tuck. You can tuck yourself off. You can suck yourself off. You can have your ass looking like you southpaw. I can make up some words. Man, who gives a fuck? You only rockin' verbs. Man, your style, man, is such and such. You don't know shit. I seen it a long time ago, man. You told me, man, your style was slow. You said you was a special education. You said you was special. Man, I heard your ass. You looking like you was going to tussle. Man, you looking like you was trying to tussle. You was trying to fight. Looking at you like you was Mike. But you wasn't going to knock no niggas out. Hold on. Look. Man, I told you, bitch. Man, I told her so. And man, I told her, fucking get out the fuck my face, Nami, yo. Look, I think I sped it up too quick. But I told the bitch, man, you biting my dick. You ain't sucking right. Man, you over here acting like your man is tight. Shit. You come talking to me about the nigga every day. I be listening to your ass, man. You making them sound gay. So what else the fuck I'm talking about? I'm just listening to your ass. You looking like you got clout. Man, I booked you in the club. You said you was on. You said your boyfriend got a snub in the trunk. So I told you, motherfucking style ain't no punk. Leave the niggas alone, cause I'm making this shit up. I ain't done. Look, man, that's a nigga I knew, man. I'm telling these niggas this style is in bank of pan. Man, he pick a boy, we hit him and then slap him with the, man, I seen the Sam. Man, I seen the Sam. Man, he told me something. Man, I said damn. And then the bitch said something else. I said Cam. Man, who the fuck else you talking about? I don't know what the fuck, man. You style, you walking out. Man, I'm making up some shit. Man, I'm walking out. Man, I'm walking out your house. You don't know about the South. You don't know about the North. You don't know about the what the fucking fucking good on the golf course. Cause you don't know, man, we behind the trees. You can't see the RZs or the fucking style. Man, the street wide the fiend on the fucking wild. Man, I told Buck. Man, I told Buck. Man, I told these niggas don't know from shucks. Man, I said shucks. Man, the bitch said I look good. Man, I told the bitch, man, all shucks. Man, I'm telling bitches. Man, I'm telling hoes. Man, I've been telling bitches, man, now I'm in your rank. Man, it's on the shows. You don't know about the shit cause you don't know how to rock your fucking clothes. You don't know how to dress, man, you can't impress. Man, my style, man, you know I'm fucking best dressed. Man, I'm killing niggas, man, I'm killing bitches. I ain't doing shit, man, I'm on some stitches. Man, trying to keep myself together, fucking in the weather. Looking for some good styles, you don't know what's, man, you call it fucking ever. Mega Evers, looking for some slaver.